hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Streator, Pontiac, Paxton, Dwight, Fairbury, Gibson City, Chatsworth, Gridley, Forest, Flanagan, Wayona, Odell, South Streator, Piper City, Column, Cornell, Solomon, Melvin, Roberts, and Rutland. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 217. Interstate 57 between mile markers 258 and 263. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather